the rate of interest that you are charging is very high. Either you bring the rate of interest down or we go to somebody else. And finally friends, the seventh thing that is very crucial, and that is working capital management is a matter of culture. Working capital management is a matter of culture. So working capital management is not responsibility of CEO of the company or MD of the company or the board of directors of the company or the plant head of the company or CFO of the company or COO of the company or chief marketing officer or chief procurement officer. No. Working capital, the seventh point on efficient management of working capital, the working capital management is responsibility of everyone in the company, from the chairman to the security person, is the responsibility of the working capital. And why do I say that the working capital management is the responsibility of everyone? Because it can happen. It can happen. And why do I say chairman to the security man? It can happen. शाम को 7 बजे एक क्रिटिकल कंपोनेंट है, ऑपरेशंस के लिए चाहिए, ट्रक आया और सिक्योरिटी वाले ने विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द इम्पोर्टेंस बोला कि 7 बज गए, अंदर नहीं ले सकते, बाहर खड़े रहो, कल सुबह बात करना। तो उसने बाहर रुका दिया, पूरा रात भर वो बाहर खड़ा रहा और अंदर कंपोनेंट की जरूरत थी। Bad working capital because people are not aware. Another example, फ्राइडे का समय है, आफ्टरनून का समय है, 11 बजे का समय है, एक लिफाफा आया एक कस्टमर से। ऑफ कोर्स थिंग्स हैव चेंज टुडे बट आई कैन स्टिल गिव यू दिस एग्जांपल। एक कस्टमर से लिफाफा आया, कैशियर ने लिफाफा खोला, देखा कि 2 करोड़ का डिमांड ड्राफ्ट है। कैशियर ने देखा घड़ी में 11 बज रहे हैं और सोचा कि फ्राइडे का दिन है, कल छुट्टी है, परसों भी छुट्टी है, आज बैंक में पैसा डाल के कोई फायदा नहीं है, मंडे को डालेंगे। और उसने क्या किया, वो जो लिफाफा जो 2 करोड़ का डिमांड ड्राफ्ट था वो ड्रॉर में डाल दिया, एंड ड्रॉर में डाल दिया और वो जाके मंडे को उसने जमा कराया। 2 दिन का इंटरेस्ट 2 करोड़ के ऊपर आपको लग गया। एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई डू आई से दैट द वर्किंग कैपिटल मैनेजमेंट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी from the chairman to the cashier to the security man. Everyone in the organization is responsible for the working capital management. We have to remember every dollar that we save is directly going to add to the bottom line of our company, and that is the kind of awareness which needs to be built in everyone. And friends, that is all about the working capital management. So tomorrow I am going to discuss with you a ratio, which is current ratio, as to what is the current ratio that you should have of a company. We will discuss this a small case tomorrow morning when we start on the working capital management. And after that, these are the cardinal principles that I have already shared with you. After that, we will tomorrow start the third day's session. And tomorrow, friends, we would be discussing cash flow statement and financial analysis, how to assess financial risk and carry out financial stability analysis for our vendor. Financial analysis, friends, when we discuss, remember that financial analysis we are going to discuss from the perspective from our vendor. But please remember, the same financial analysis is applicable from the customer point of view, from the supplier's point of view, from the government point of view, from the lender's point of view, from the shareholder's point of view, and also from the point of view of an investor. So the same financial analysis that we would discuss will help you to evaluate your vendor, and the same financial analysis will also help you to take a decision as to which company should I invest my money in. So that is the plan that we have, friends, for tomorrow. With this we come to the end of this session today. Thank you so much and wish you a wonderful evening. As always, please remember, all your queries, all your doubts, whatever they may be, from now till the time you go to bed, please write down on a piece of paper. Tomorrow when we start with your doubts and your questions and your queries. First we answer them, and then we take the cash flow management and financial analysis. One more request that I would like to make you. On the 4th day, we will also be covering GST. And GST, friends, as you all know, is a vast topic. It's an extremely vast topic, and therefore we would like to focus only on the specific queries that you have. So therefore, my request will be that whatever queries that you have about GST, whatever the practical issues that you are handling about GST, please note them down, and you can see my mail ID in front of you, and my mail ID is also available to you in the invite that you must have received for this meeting. So वहाँ भी मेरा email ID available है, आपके सामने भी मेरा भी email ID available है. Please send your queries on GST, and it would be my endeavor to cover them in a manner so that your queries are answered specifically so as to suit your requirements. So friends, with this we come to the close of this session. Thank you so much. In any case, before I close, if still there are some queries, please go ahead, I would take them. Thank you so much and wish you a wonderful evening. Thank you, and your queries are still welcome.